Today we are going to start the subunit 3.4 triangle and the properties of triangle. All of you know about the triangle. That triangle is a closed figure formed by three angles, three sides and three vertices is called a triangle. The sides and angles are called as the parts of the triangle. So in here adjacent figure the given triangle is ABC. In this triangle this is the side AB, side BC and side CA or AC, or you can write as a segment also. The triangle has the three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and it has three vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Okay. So next point is the interior and exterior of the triangle. Due to the triangle drawn in a plane is divided into the three parts. As we know that the triangle is the two-dimensional shape. So it divides the plane into three parts. Exterior portion of the triangle, interior portion of the triangle and the sides of the triangle, means the triangle itself. Okay. Here the point P, point Q and point R. These points are in the interior portion of the triangle, means inside the triangle. And here the point T, point S and this point U are outside the triangle, means to the exterior of the triangle. And the point A, point D, point B, point C and point E. These points are on the sides of the triangle. Correct? This point, interior and exterior, we have learnt in the circle also. Recall it. Now the triangular region. The triangular region is formed by the interior of the triangle and the triangle. This is the inside portion of the triangle and this sides of the triangle. Together it forms the triangular region. Exterior angle of the triangle. Exterior word itself tells about it. Exterior means outside. So the angle formed which is outside the triangle. But how it is formed? See. This is the triangle ABC. If we extend the arm BC up to the D, we will get the angle here. This ACB is the interior angle and the angle ACD is outside the triangle. So in such a way it forms a linear pair with the interior angle. C. With this C angle, interior angle, it forms a linear pair. Okay. So this angle is called as the exterior angle of the triangle. Now how many such angles we can draw here? If we extend the arm AC here, again we can get one more angle here. So at the vertex C, we will get the two exterior angles BCQ and ACD. Okay. So at each vertex we can draw the two exterior angles, means 2 plus 2 plus 2. So total 6 exterior angles we can draw to a triangle. A triangle has 6 exterior angles with 2 angles at each vertex. Angle A and angle B are the remote interior angles of ACD. See this angle ACD, and angle A is here, angle B is here. So these two angles are the remote interior angles. Remote means the angles which are at distance, which are far away from it. It is adjacent. This angle is adjacent. Angle C is the interior angle here and exterior. This interior C angle is adjacent to the exterior C. Means ACB is adjacent to ACD. Okay. But this angle A and angle B are far away from this angle ACD. That's why we use the word remote interior angles. So angle A and B are the remote interior angles of the exterior angle C. You have learnt the types of the triangles in the 6th 7th standard. There are 6 types of the triangles. From that 3 are based on the angles and 3 are based on the sides. Acute angle triangle. In this type of triangle, all the angles are of acute type. In the right angle triangle, one angle is of right angle or 90 degree. And in obtuse angle triangle, angles are called as acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Now based on the sides, equilateral triangle. Lateral means sides, equi means equal. The triangle which have 3 equal sides means the 3 sides which are of equal length, that is called as the equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means where 2 sides are of equal length. And the scalene triangle, no side is equal in length or all sides are of different length are called as the scalene triangle. Now based on the sides and angles together, isosceles acute angle triangle means here all the angles are acute and the 2 sides are equal in length. Isosceles right angle triangle means 2 sides are equal in length and one angle is right angle. Isosceles obtuse angle triangle, 2 sides are equal and one angle is obtuse angle. Now the scalene acute angle triangle, scalene right angle triangle and scalene obtuse angle triangle. Okay, understood?